Hello guys, welcome to my kitchen, Passion Cooking at Harmina's Kitchen. As I told you all, I'll be posting 2 recipes in a week. So this is my second recipe for this week, which is chili chicken dry in my style. So to start with, we will need 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, little salt to taste, half tablespoon of black pepper, and around half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 bowl of corn flour. I have taken half kg boneless chicken cut into strips. So to start with the marination, first we need to put black pepper, and in this guys I'm going to add very little salt, because when you're cooking, when you're going to make the recipe, again you're going to add salt. So make sure you put less salt. Half tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Once you've added ginger garlic paste, you need to add soya sauce. So we need to mix this well. All the ingredients must combine well, because we need the chicken to be little wet. As you can see, our chicken is little wet and nicely marinated. Now we can add a corn flour. The reason why I am telling you this, because now the corn flour will combine very well with the chicken. It will give a nice coating. As you can see, our marination is ready, and I am going to refrigerate it for around 30 minutes. So the main ingredients we need to make our chili chicken will be 1 green capsicum, red bell pepper, I've taken half, yellow bell pepper, slit chilies, onion cut into cubes, spring onion and spring onion leaves. Now the sauces we'll need is chili sauce 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, and 1 tablespoon vinegar. And we also taken chopped garlic, as garlic is a very important ingredient in this dish. It gives you a very nice flavor. So once you've noted down, we'll start with the recipe. Take a pan, add around 1.5 tablespoon of oil. We are not going to use much oil, as I have told you all in the previous recipe as well. We don't like to deep fry the chicken, as it takes in a lot of oil. Add the marinated chicken. Now I have told this in the previous recipe as well. Whenever you are frying the chicken, make sure you'll fry it for 70 to 80%, because when you'll fry it for that much time, your chicken becomes juicy and tender. It doesn't become chewy. So we're going to fry it for 70 to 80%. As you can see, it's nicely coated. We have not deep fried the chicken. Our chicken is ready. As you can see, it's nicely coated. Not much corn flour, very less corn flour, but trust me, it tastes good. Take around 1 tablespoon of oil, finely chopped garlic. Garlic must be sauteed well. I don't make it too brown, but slightly brown, because it has a very strong flavor. Now you can add the green slit chilies. Once you've added the green slit chilies, now you can add the finely chopped spring onion and the onion which is cut in cubes. Mix it well. Normally I don't cook it much. I'll just stir it for around 2 to 3 minutes, because I don't want the onion to become more soft. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and around 1 tablespoon of vinegar. I've used white vinegar. Just mix it well. Wow, getting a nice aroma. The sauces are mixed very well. Once it's all mixed, you can add the capsicum and the bell pepper. Wow, it's looking so colorful, isn't it? Guys, you don't have to cook the bell peppers and the capsicum too much. Just stir fry it for around 2 to 3 minutes. After that, you can add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Mix it well, and then you can add your fried chicken. Wow, it's really looking very nice. The chicken, the bell pepper, the capsicum, the sauce, lovely. Wow, guys, after this you need to add black pepper. You can add half tablespoon or 1 tablespoon as per how spicy you want, but this gives a little spice for a dish. As you have noticed, I have not added salt in this, because while I was making, I was just tasting it, because as I told you before, soya sauce, ginger garlic paste also has salt in it. Tomato ketchup also has salt in it. And that's it. Our dish is ready. Chili chicken dry. Nicely garnish it with spring onion. Lovely dish, guys. Trust me, it's easy, very simple, as you have seen it. Try making this. I'm sure all your family members will enjoy it. You can also serve this as a starter. You can eat it with fried rice as well. Goes very well with drinks. Wow, it's looking awesome. I'm just waiting to eat it. Looking at this dish, I'm feeling hungry. Just waiting for this shoot to get over. I'm just going to pick my plate and start hogging. I hope you like my recipes, guys. Trust me, try this. It's a very good recipe, and please do like, subscribe, share, follow. Thank you, guys.